Hey you guys, I'm in my studio real quick before I have to go to work. There was a couple of things that I wanted to show you. I've been making studs. I've got, I don't know if you can see these. Oh, here we go. Black studs that I have to add to cards. And then I've got orange studs that I need to add to cards. So I'll be doing that later. And I've got, these are the Lagoon Blue round textured hoops that I've added to the site. And don't forget, I have these in 3 different sizes. This is the large, this is the medium, and then this is the small. And then I also have them in the these are the classic oval hoops. I made them in large, but I'm going to make them in medium and small. But this is large. And don't forget that with every purchase, you get a free pair of studs. That's why I was showing you some of these studs that I made. If you want a specific color and shape, all you have to do is include that in the notes on the order, and I'll see what I have, and I'll come as close to that as I can. Other things. I got... You guys know I always like to open my packages with you guys. I got a couple of packages here. So let me get those started so I can open them. Okay. This is from Creative Wholesale. I get my clay. Okay, so I got this cutter, this one. These are sets too. I can't remember which ones go with which. And then I can't remember if I ordered these or if these were complimentary, but let me open the package. How do I open it? Let me just cut it. I don't think I ordered these. I'll try to take a picture. They're like, oh, these must be I like adding the stories where I'm showing myself opening packages, because I can add them to my hauls reel. My hauls highlight reel. Highlights, whatever you call them. And if I can't remember where I got something, I can refer back to that. So that's actually makes it easy for me. So that's why I do that. And again, this is from Cutter Globe. They're on Instagram. I saw a pair of cutters that I really wanted, which was this one right here. I really like the way that looks. I think it's 3 pieces. I can't remember. Or it's 2 pieces. I don't know. I also got a texture roller, and this reminds me of like honeycomb. Can't wait to try this out. And I'll include a picture of these little, I don't even know, they're not cutters. I don't know what they're called. Maybe Cutter Globe can tell me what they're called and tell me what they're for, and I'll tag them here. I got white. I got cherry pie, which is one of my favorites, canary yellow, and this is mandarin, which is another one of my favorites. So I got those. I actually thought I ordered the white and the big, so I'm going to have to check on that one. And then this package here is from Cutter Globe. So I'll do a whole separate story on those.